Hey, what's going on, guys? It's David here from Genzio. We are in Denver, Colorado for ETH Denver. I'm with Chris from Ava Protocol. We just spoke about the history of Ava Protocol, his journey, their ups and downs as developers, the beautiful things that they're doing, his dog as well. Wonderful interview, and I can't wait to hear what you guys think about it. Hey, what's going on, guys? It's David here from Genzio. We're in Denver, Colorado for ETH Denver. I'm with Chris from Ava Protocol. Chris, pleasure to meet you.
Pleasure to be here.
Yeah, how are you doing?
Thank you, David. Good. Yeah, going around to different meetups at ETH Denver. This is my sixth time at ETH Denver. So I started in 2018.
Okay.
Where people sleeping in the beanbags on the floor. That the original hackathon type of vibe. So that was fun. But right now we get a hacker house. We got developers sleeping in a nice big Airbnb. 16 of them. I just came back from Eigenlayer Eliza AI Hacker House. So the environment has been so much nicer.
Yeah.
Okay. Over the past 80 years. Nice. Years, yeah.
And Denver as a city, do you like to visit here?
Oh, it grew a lot. Yeah, I like it. Like 2018, I kind of like the vibe of 2018. Small niche. Everything is close by. But right now, because I think it grew a lot. There are so many events. I don't know which one going to. I go to the main conference. I go to the side events. But just so many going on here.
There really is. It's go, 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 go. Yeah, we need to make our best of the time that we are here.
Yeah, you have to select. Be very selective.
Yeah.
About where you're going.
Absolutely, man. Absolutely. Well, I really want to hear a little bit more about Ava Protocol. I'm quite familiar with it, but I'd love to hear it straight from the source.
Sure. We just launched our new product this Monday, and right now I'm going to the workshops, the developer hackathons to promote our product. Basically, it's developer infra. So what it does is that we created a new tool for anybody to automate the smart contract automation. We call it Web3 automation. So basically, you can say, oh, I got some input, for example, the Chainlink Oracle price. When the price of Ethereum drops below, let's say $2,500, I want to sell my position. That's a loss prevention position action, and I want to trigger that now so that let's say the AI can do that for me. So we have the AI concept. You can plug AI in, and the AI can tell you, okay, you want to sell this position now. It sends you a Telegram message, yes or no. You click on that, and then that can automate your wallet. Or if you trust the confidence level of the AI, you can let the AI to sell your position automatically. So basically, we combined a bunch of very new things, cutting edge things, and make this solution all-in-one solution for anybody to automate their Web3 wallet.
Okay, wow, it's quite a journey.
Yeah, it's a very complex solution, and basically what we distill this very complex solution into a very simple user interface. So we are an Eigenlayer AVS. So at the bottom is the AVS, and then we create the SDK, and then on the top we have this UI. It's a drag and drop. It's like some case program where you have the boxes, you drag and drop on the screen, and you connect them together. Then you build your workflow. That's your trading strategy.
Okay, wow, nice. Now I want to know a little bit about you. Where did you spark this inspiration to get involved with this?
Yeah, sure. This project we started in 2022, very beginning of 2022. And we have built several versions before this. I mean, in the beginning, there was no drag and drop. We just have a very simple interface. We say, let's make automatic payments, recurring payments. So you can go to the website and you can schedule, I want to transfer my money to either my partner or my vendors every week or every month. So it's a fixed UI, right? It works, and many people are using it, but it's fixed. You can't change anything. You can't say, now I don't want to transfer money. I want to call a smart contract. So that's the early version of our product. And then last year, when Eigenlayer became popular, and we basically read through their white paper, we identified the opportunity that this is a perfect infrastructure for our solution. So we migrate our infrastructure to EigenLayer AVS, and then we create this UI. So finally, it feels complete in terms of the drag and drop.
Yeah.
Create so much more flexibility than the static UI. Right now, you can say, what I want. Let's say I want the election result of U.S. election result, president, and you can connect the box to a poll result, and you can just read the poll. So in real time, you get information of the U.S. president poll result, and then you can choose to do something. For example, if you are trading on the poly market, right? People buy which president will win. So in real time, you can get those information and you can trade. So yeah, it's similar. It's a very fun experience. Our entire team are using that day to day, and they're just creating so many weird automations. Some of them involves moving your money around, but some of them are just Telegram notification.
Okay, wow, really? Now, for myself, for example, I use Telegram, right? How could this benefit me?
For example, the simplest workflow is that whenever you receive money or money goes out of your wallet, you get a Telegram notification.
Ah, okay. So the notification of the activity is like normally, let's say I do something outside of blockchain, or I get an SMS, a regular text message, right? Like a notification. So it's the same thing, but it's on Telegram.
Yes, exactly.
Oh, okay.
It can do text message too.
Yeah.
So Telegram, Discord, text message, Slack, you can do those all. And the user scenario, a little more complex, advanced user scenario, we're piloting is that the AI can make a lot of decisions.
Yeah.
Okay? But my trust level of AI is at 60%. So I always want to manually confirm the action that AI is doing.
Okay.
So what we do is that we connect the AI box to the Telegram box, and we require them to send us a message and just say, oh, yes or no, do you want to trigger this trade?
Yeah.
So this is the opportunity I as AI identified, and would you want to do it? And then we click on yes or no. The message goes back to our workflow, and the workflow triggers the actual trade.
Okay. Wow. Interesting.
It's very interesting. We're building these templates. So basically, it's a page of already built strategies, and you can go there and pick something of your like.
Wow. All right. Well, within building all of this and really solving, what are some of the difficulties and things you have to hurdle over?
Yeah, I would say, so how we achieve this, right?
Yeah.
Technically, I would say two parts. One is divide and conquer.
Yes.
Because it's a big problem.
Yeah.
We just break it down into small components by modularizing the programming parts. So even in programming, we look at this big problem. We would say, okay, it's probably 200 lines long, right? So we chop it up like 40 lines each, breaking into 5 pieces. And then the second part is that we abstract away the common stuff from the code. So you're writing this program, I'm writing the program, we are doing the same thing. Pretty much the case, 80% of our code are the same because those are common code.
Yeah.
It's like you're making a dish, right? First step is always add water to your pot and then add some salt. So those adding water, adding salt steps are basically abstracted away. By default, we know that if you want to make this dish, you need water. So we just automatically already add water and salt in it.
Okay, so already comes seasoned.
Yeah, already comes with water and seasoning. All doesn't matter is how long you steam it and how much you stir. Yeah, that's your choice. But the common stuff. Yeah, for example, take out all the gears, all the seasonings. We already wrap it up for you.
Okay.
So it's not as flexible as coding 100% of coding, but for regular people, like for anybody who doesn't know code.
Yeah.
Like those are not needed, right? Like they don't need to know. They only need to know is that how much I stir, how long I want to steam this thing.
Okay. Wow. Now, your guys' team, how big are you guys now?
Just 7 people. We are very lean, very small team, but very efficient. Unfortunately, the market didn't go well. We had to let a few people go last year. But what I realized is that our team becomes much more efficient after the trim. I think the thing about startup is that it's not saying like the less people the better, but we had to really to distill the
Quality.
to the most essence.
Quality over quantity.
Yeah, the highest quality of the people. And I mean, we'd love more people. Right now, we are actually making money from the automation. We are charging a thin layer of fees on top of the gas fee. It's very trivial to every user, but we have a lot of users. So adding them up, we're actually making revenue. And with the revenue, we plan to hire more engineers now.
Okay.
And we got a lot of bugs to fix. So we got a lot of feature requests and bugs reporting from the users because like when we test it, that's just 5 engineers testing the product.
Yeah.
And some of the users have very strange requests, not strange, like the edge cases that we haven't thought about. So, and they report those bugs to us in our Discord. We got a long list of bug feature requests. And the engineers are working on that. And it's good because we got feedback from users.
Okay, nice. And can you elaborate a little bit on these bugs?
Some of them are most straightforward. You click on a button, like you click on a special combination of the button, and it just doesn't work. The message box pop up. You probably haven't seen this. There's an error encounter. Try it again, and you keep trying, and that doesn't work. The try it again is just a general message, right? You come back tomorrow, still errors. So it's caused by a special combination of the user actions.
Okay. Now, one thing for sure is like we want to make sure as we progress in this space, right, it becomes more user friendly for people that are learning and interested in learning more, right? So how like intuitive and not necessarily easy, but how easy is it for people on the outside that don't know too much to function with Ava Protocol?
I just heard this from another developer that our drag and drop tool, the visualization tool, is very similar to a kids program. So his daughter is learning programming.
Oh, okay.
And they started with the drag and drop visualization. So I would say for the young generation at least, whoever has trained to use the drag and drop programming tool, they're very familiar with it. But for regular people, it's just so intuitive. I don't think we haven't seen any hurdle any problem that a regular user couldn't understand what this is about, because we brand it as no code or low code.
Yeah. Okay.
Wow. People don't need to write code for it.
No. So do you guys go to a lot of events?
We do. So the side events, we have been to a lot of them, and we're participating in the next hackathon, which is the ETH San Francisco, which happens in about 20 days. So not only do we go to the marketing event, we tend to do less marketing events and trying to do more hackathon events. So in the hackathon, we try to create a special, like a unique workflow that we have to think of. Some of them are very complex, and we're helping other application teams, like DeFi teams, with internal operations. So basically why they choose our solution is that by recreating their internal workflow, they cut their cost by 70%. I'm from AWS specifically.
Oh, wow, okay. So very incorporated with AWS.
Almost. So right now, I would say 80% of them are using AWS, but by switching over, they save 70% of the money.
Okay, wow. Now you touched a little bit on like what's to come, but any big announcements you would like to make for Ava Protocol?
Yeah, I mean the biggest announcement is that our product just launched.
Ooh.
And we're looking for new
Congratulations.
Developers. Thank you. You looking for new developers or any regular users? I'll share the link with you.
I'd love that.
We have user surveys where we will select 100 good high quality service that we will reward AP tokens for them. And then we also do online live session replay with the users. So we are inviting developers to try our product and share their recording with us, so we can understand how people are using the product and where are the issues, where are the buttons that click the most, so we can optimize the user interface.
And bring end user consumption.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, nice. Now, would you give any insight for people that are on the outside looking in towards all of this?
I would say this is the new trend. This is the future, because we have seen in Web2 world, a lot of people have moved to this type of low-code visualization for fast prototyping, especially for new companies. And a lot of old company has migrated from Salesforce to this type of solution. So our goal is to build a Web3 solution for this, and we're trying to be the Salesforce for the Web3 companies. I want to say this is happening. This is the future. Even if it's not Earth, somebody will build this, because with AI, everything becomes more the details, the technical details are being abstracted away. Because we don't need to, for example, we just need to focus our business logic if we are trying to acquire users to use our service, right? Do I have to know how to deploy my code? Probably not. And there are tools to help you to deploy. We can do it as simple as one click.
Yeah.
So I would say this is the future. Everybody will focus on their own business, like the influencers, the social influencers. Everybody has the tools, the gears to make a great video. But what stands out is not the the 3D, the pictures of the video. It's the content.
Yeah.
Because it's really hard to be funny, and there are a lot of good-looking people online, but it's really hard to be interesting and funny these days.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's so much computation. So we're here to help dev teams, infrastructure teams, protocol teams to launch faster and to focus on their business logic.
Okay, nice. Now, what has been your favorite thing about all of this?
About ETH Denver or
No, Ava Protocol and your whole journey and process. What has been your favorite?
We are developers, so this is made by developer and for developers.
Yeah.
We just love the work we do every day, and we love that we are making it so simple. We're simplifying the work that we do daily. So, it saves a lot of time. We launch a lot faster, 70% faster. So we can save some time to spend with the family. My dog, actually, I'm missing my dog here.
What kind of dog do you have?
It's an Aussie Doodle. He's very cute.
Okay, yeah. My mom's got a few Labradoodles.
Labradoodles are the best. Has the best tempers.
They are very sweet. Yeah, they're not mean dogs. No, very sweet. Not good house guard dogs at all.
Right? No.
Yeah.
No. My dog is mean, but I still love him.
Good, man. Good. Well, where can we follow you and your team?
I would say join our Discord to send us a message. Just shoot us a message for anything. Ask a question about the community, because we work with the Genzio team for the community management, and they have been doing a great job. We're running in-track campaigns to attract developers and normal users to check out our GitHub, check out our new product. And we actually got a lot of incoming traffic users for our product through the campaigns. So everybody's trying it out. We try to filter out those non-authentic users, but we still distill the volume to a small set of very genuine users. So that has been good. So definitely join our Discord, ask questions, and we have a great support ticket system for any issues you see on the product or on the website, or any question about Ava Protocol. You can just click a button, type in a message, all within Discord. And we normally respond within 4 to 6 hours.
Okay, nice. And yourself, are you on LinkedIn?
I'm on LinkedIn. Twitter would be the best, because we spend most time on Twitter.
And what is it?
Ava Protocol. Ava _protocol is
Okay.
our company Twitter.
And yourself, do you have anything?
Myself is Chris Lee 2046.
There we go. Give these guys a follow. They're doing amazing things. Chris, thank you so much.
Thank you, David.
Yep.
Brought to you by Hedera and Foresight Ventures.
Hey, what's up?
But it's not something Genzio is afraid of.
If you want to survive, you got to build a hive.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Get back at the Genzio Media House.
Awesome. Thanks so much for joining us today.